Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel where I share my knitting and crochet projects with you, and I also share my journey and experiences. So like and subscribe to my channel to follow along on this journey. Today we will be making these easy just 2 round Christmas baubles or ornament. We are not going to do anything difficult in 3D or anything like that, just plain 2 rounds in circle and we will get our ornaments. You can see I have used a variety of yarn. In this one I have used some tinsel thread later on to make it a bit more festive. In this one I used tinsel thread along with my lightweight crochet thread, and this one also has a bit of tinsel thread along with my yarn, and this one is plain, so you can use whatever color you want. I think red is more festive, Christmassy, that's why I used different shades of red. For the video I'm using another red, and to start we will make slip knot and chain 4. Join first and last chain to make a circle, and then chain 3. Now we will make 11 double crochets in this ring. We will count our chain 3 as well, so including that we have 2, and then we will keep on counting and keep on making. Now if you have a one less or one more, don't fret, don't worry, because all you have to do in the next round is double the number of double crochets, because all you have to do in the second round is to double the number of your double crochets. So if you have 12 in second round, you will get 24. If you have 11, you will get 22. If you have 13, you will get 26. So you need not worry about keeping an exact count in the first round at least. Let's count, and you will count with the help of these V's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 11 and now we can join with the first chain 3. And this is our first round. To start second round, we will make chain 3, and in each of our chain or double crochet from the previous round, we will make 2 double crochets. So you will go back in the same stitch after making, this is my 1 double crochet in this stitch, and now I'm going in this stitch again. All you have to do is to keep making 2 double crochets in each stitch. If you want to make them even bigger, you can either make one more round, do round 3 as well, or you can use a chunky yarn and then you will get Christmas baubles, which you can use as tea coasters. And we will join with the first chain 3. This is our Christmas bauble so far. Let's do one more round so that you can see how to do round 3. It will be a little different because we are not going to increase in every stitch. We will increase in every other stitch. So in first stitch I have just made chain 3, and in next stitch I will make 2 double crochets. So in first stitch I have made 1 double crochet, in next I have made 2. So in third stitch I will make just 1 double crochet, and in fourth I will make 2 double crochets, and in this way we will complete our round. One and now 2. Just try to make a rhythm for yourself. 1 2 1 2 or whatever is. We have made 1 double crochet, and now in the next we will make 2. So in this way I will finish this round and I will see you. I have finished my third round. Now let's make the stem. To make stem you can either use to make stem you can either use double crochet or half double. I will be using half double. You can even change the color of your yarn. I'll be using the same. And to make stem, for the first stitch I chained 2. For the second 2 I have made half double, and in fourth stitch as well I will go and make half double stitch, chain 2, wrap yarn, turn your work and make 3 more half double crochets, because we are counting our first chain 2 as our stitch. Remember to go in the first chain 2. Check how long you want the stem to be. Let's do one more round. Chain 2, turn your work and make 3 more half doubles. Let's cut the yarn and weave in the end. just slip stitch through the last stitch and then we will weave it in a couple of stitches. Let's weave in the starting tail as well. Again, we will go in between our double crochets from the first round and pull it in. You can give it a spray of starch so that it becomes more stiff and holds its body, or keep it like this. You can decorate it, even use acrylic paint to decorate it, or keep it simple. And you can see the comparison. By making one more round, it has become a coaster. It is serving two purposes. I hope you will have fun making these Christmas baubles and using them on your trees, gifts, or as coasters around your house. And I will see you next time. Take care.